is Benjamin, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw animals A to Z. Our next letter is M today. Mole. Moles are animals that dig in a hole. Sometimes, if you believe in a mole, we caught a mole, and moles eat grubs and worms. Did we ever eat grubs? No, not really. Marlin. Marlin are smart animals in the sea. They can saw up jellyfishes. Their noses are pointy. Narwhal could eat krill. You know about the narwhal? Marlin look different than swordfish. Mouse.
What?
I mean mouse. Mice are smart animals. Mice's enemies are afraid of cats. Mule. A mule is a donkey, but maybe not a jack.
No, Ben.
I maybe call him a donkey more than anything. A mule doesn't name himself Jack because a Jack.
Ben?
Okay, name it Mule instead. Because mules are a breed of donkeys and horses. You will know of a mule. They can't bite because they don't have sharp teeth. They are a bit silly for clumsy animals, and especially donkeys. Mules aren't really like horses.
That doesn't look like a mule.
That does look like a mule.
Okay.
Moose. Moose don't look like antler horns. To me, or a moose doesn't look exemplary. As I say, moose's noses are ugly and disastrous. A disaster moose, like M-O-O-S-E. Mooses are a bit like deer. So you remember deer and mooses.
There's only one antler?
Well, mooses have a bit clumsy, and they don't think of a bit different. A mongoose. Mongooses are different animals. Mongooses look different. Then they eat their own like cobras. Mongooses hate cobras because a mongoose in the story of Rikki Tikki Tavi never did exist from the Jungle Book, 1807. Mongooses are smart animals more than cobras, but cobras defend themselves.
Is that it?
Nope. Manatee. Manatees are like cows that live under sea, but instead, I don't remember what's a manatee. Manatees don't look like anything better, but as they swim, the sea runs for feather. Maybe the bird of a feather.
Okay, is that it?
Thanks for watching. Bye.